How's it going, Daisy? Your toy right there? She's like looking at you right now. Ready? Yeah. There's toy. Oh, she took off. I gotta say though, she likes my scooter though. She usually sleeps on it sometimes. But she always wants me to catch that toy and bring it to her. That's why she walks away and stuff and waits for me to get it again. Yeah. Yeah, she like tags it and then like come over here and get the toy. Ready? Woo! She ran. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there you go. I had to get her new strings again because I think she likes to tear things up really, really fast. I guess you can find them on a website, especially to replace and then staple it to the thing. Hey, Daisy.